Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Jimbo from Paws of Fury, The Legend of Hank. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. All of that is a big help. Really appreciate it. Okay, so I'm going to start drawing with the nose. So I'm going to do a little itty bitty nose right here, and on each side I'm going to do a little nostril. Okay, now coming on down from that nose, we can do a line there and a line here, and that is going to go down even further. And now, before we do anything else, let's do the eyes. So he's got some pretty thick eyebrows, and they're pretty bushy. Thick and bushy eyebrows. So there's one, and we can color it in all black later. And we can try our best to do a very similar shape here on the other side, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Now the eyes, we're going to do a curve like this. And on the other side too. And now we're going to do a circle inside, and then a little circle up top, and then a little circle in behind, and that one in behind we can color all black. And let's do that over here as well. Okay, so I'm going to make a thick curve here underneath the eye, and do that on both sides. Okay, and now let's work on the top of the head. It's kind of like a flat sort of shape. And then we can curve on down a bit. Like that. And let's do the ears. So let's do a little triangle shape here. Same on the inside, but a little bit smaller. And over here. And now we can do the hair. So we've got like a little hair elastic right here, a little hair tie, and then some bits of hair. Like that. All right, so now let's work these lines a little bit further. So I'm going to curve this way and end that patch of Jimbo. So now he can have a great big frown on his face. He's looking a little grumpy right here. And now we are going to work on the outfit. So we're going to make like a little V shape right here. And then we're going to bring this line out further. And then we can bring this line down. And over here, we can bring this one down too. And then we can curve. And we can do a little belt right here. And come on down on both sides. Now the arms, we're going to draw the arms kind of behind his back. So just a curve like that, really. Both arms are just behind the back. And we can do some whiskers coming from here. I'll do like 3 on each side. Okay, and now I'm going to do another line right here and right here. All right, so we are finished our drawing, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. You can tell that I definitely ran out of ink in my dark gray marker. I'll have to get a new one. But hopefully that doesn't happen to you folks, and your markers stay full of ink. Thanks so much for drawing with me. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!